Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore the latest ceiling LED light designs that can completely transform your home. Lighting is not just about brightness anymore. It is about style, mood, and creating a beautiful atmosphere in every room. Let's start with recessed LED lights. These lights are fixed inside the ceiling and give a clean and modern look. They are perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and even kitchens. Recessed lights make the ceiling look neat and spacious, especially in small rooms. Next, we have LED strip lighting designs. These lights are installed around false ceilings, trays, or borders. They create a soft and glowing effect that looks very luxurious. Warm white LED strips give a cozy feeling, while cool white lights create a modern and fresh look. Many people are now using hidden LED strips in layered ceilings for a premium finish. Another trending design is geometric LED ceiling lights. Square, circular, or abstract-shaped LED panels are becoming very popular in modern homes. These designs are perfect for minimalist interiors. They give both style and proper brightness at the same time. Chandelier-style LED lights are also in trend. Modern LED chandeliers come in sleek and simple designs. They are lightweight and energy efficient compared to traditional chandeliers. These are perfect for dining areas and living rooms where you want to create a statement look. Smart LED ceiling lights are another amazing option. These lights allow you to change colors and brightness using a remote or mobile app. You can switch between warm, cool, or even colorful lighting according to your mood. Smart lighting is perfect for bedrooms and entertainment areas. For bedrooms, soft panel LED lights with dimming options are very popular. They create a calm and relaxing environment. You can also combine spotlights with LED strips to highlight certain areas like wardrobes or wall designs. One of the biggest advantages of LED lights is energy efficiency. They consume less electricity and last longer compared to traditional bulbs. This makes them cost-effective and environmentally friendly. When choosing ceiling LED lights, always consider the size of your room, ceiling height, and interior theme. The right lighting design can make your home look modern, stylish, and elegant. So, these were some of the latest ceiling LED light designs you can try in your home. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.